Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special treat just for you today. We have a guest who's 589 years old. Can you guess who he is? Oh my God, how did you know? Yeah, that's right. Hey Vlad, get over here. Come on, man, get over here. Say hi to everybody out here on YouTube. Welcome. Everybody, I would like to introduce you to Vlad the Third Dracula. Oh, thank you, but please call me Count Dracula. Okay, Count Dracula. What brings you out to Las Vegas? Well, MJ, as you know, I'm from the Transylvania region of Romania, and with everybody at home doing the quarantine thing, nobody invites me in anymore. I don't know what it is. What is it about me, MJ? Is it my pale skin? Is it the way I act? Is it the way I dress? I don't know. What is it? I don't know, Count. You seem perfectly charming to me. I don't know what it is, but please continue your story. Anyhow, MJ, I've had so much fun on the Las Vegas Strip and downtown, dining on the, with the finest women, and went and saw Golden Knights games. And how about those Raiders always wearing black? Everybody loves to wear black, right? Ha 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 ha. But anyway, you remember that house you showed me that was so super convenient to everything? It was reasonably priced. How about we go take that tour? You want to go show them? I mean, the neighbors are super tasty, you know what I'm saying? Excuse me? What do you mean the neighbors were super tasty? You shouldn't be dining on the neighbors. You're so funny, MJ. It's an inside joke. Don't worry about it. You want to go show them this tour or what? I mean, I guess let's go. All right, let's go. Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. We are back out at the landings again today. We're checking out the last model from KB Home up in Montecito neighborhood. Today we're checking out the 1455 model. It is 1,455 square feet, as you may have guessed. It is 2 stories, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage, all starting at 302,990. Out front of the house there, you see that there is pavers along the driveway and the walkway. Those are going to be included, as well as the front landscaping and the drip irrigation system. The backyard will not be finished, so keep that in mind. You can definitely have KB Home finish that up for you if you choose to. As we walk inside of the home, you're immediately greeted into the great room. It's a really well laid out great room. The kitchen is really nice sized. The living room is just right. There's definitely enough room for a dining room table there, and there's a half bath to the left there as well. We're gonna kind of scroll around here, quick peek into the backyard, and then we're gonna go into the kitchen. We'll take a closer look into the backyard here just a little bit. Granite countertops are going to be included. This particular one looks like it's an upgrade. It has a nice texture to it. I like the dark spots in it. It gives a nice depth to it. Dual basin sink will be included with Moen faucets. You're going to get a Whirlpool appliance package in either black or white. The cabinets will be 30 inches and 8-foot ceilings. The door to the left right there is going to go out to the garage. Keep in mind with these new builds, you have options at the design studio. KB likes to keep their homes pretty basic. That's why they have a lower price point than many builders. 302,990 on this particular model is a really nice price point to start at. You could easily go in there and spend another $20,000. You don't want to go too bananas because you still want to appraise for your home so you can still get the loan necessary. Looking in the backyard there, this particular home, because it is a little bit smaller of a home, has a really nice sized backyard. Bear in mind that there will be a lot premium with these homes as well, because you get to choose the lot that you're at, and they're all a little bit different sizes, so that's why there is different lot premiums. Here's a quick look into the half bathroom here. This particular home was built out with tile on the base floor. You're only going to get tile in the wet areas, which include the entry, the bathrooms, the kitchen, and the laundry room. There will be 17 by 17 inch tiles in here. Coming upstairs, this upstairs is actually laid out really well, just like the downstairs is. We're going to first take a look into the laundry room. Laundry room is really nice size. You got a linen closet to the left there. You have wire shelving above the washer and dryer. You can upgrade that to cabinetry if you choose to for an additional cost at the design studio. Moving across the hall to the first bedroom. These bedrooms are about 10 by 10. They have a standard closet in there. They're definitely not real big, but there's more than enough room for a queen size bed in here. The HOA is going to be $40 a month. It is a gated community. You'll also get the streets and the common areas maintained for you as well. Coming into the second bedroom here, it's about the same size, about 10 by 10, standard closet again as well. This particular community, the Landings, is part of two communities within the Montecito community of KB Home. There is about 36 different options you have between their floor plans and the elevations. It's pretty fantastic how many options you have. Going into the master bedroom here, got a nice dark design in here. One thing that was really nice about this primary bedroom is you actually get two walk-in closets. So we're going to take a quick look into the first one here. Wasn't real big, but it's definitely a nice feature to have, two walk-in closets in the primary bedroom. The Montecito community is located next to a park which has a playground, 7 baseball fields, tennis courts, skate park. Really, really nice to have that next door. If you do have animals, there is a very large dog park down the street a little bit further. You're going to be close to the hospital. Smith's Shopping is right next door. All the banks, anything you need is really, really close by. There's a primary bathroom. You're going to get a dual sink vanity with quartz countertops in both the bathrooms actually upstairs. This model is built out with a shower tub combo. You have an option of a super master bathroom. You could do just a shower with a seat. There's lots of different options in here. That about wraps it up for this video. If you guys have any questions about this model, feel free to give me a call. I can answer those questions, or if you'd like to take a private tour, I can definitely schedule that for you as well. My information is in the description below. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a great time making it with Dracula. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy content like this. I put out new content every Friday, so make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as I upload new content. And as always, I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next one. Later. Well, I heard of city and lots. No.
Super tasty too.
Vitamin. Just like the Vitamin.